All right, so this is a quick little audio test of the Rode Wireless Go. It's a fancy little thing. And very popular. I saw, like there were pretty much like 3 stores that I checked, all of them sold out. And then finally, this last one was like 20 minutes away. I copped with the last store, I copped the last Rode Wireless Go that they had. Pretty good. Quick little audio test. I did a little audio test before, but this one I'm actually like capturing on with the camera, having it hooked up to the camera, and it was pretty straightforward out the box. They came with this little pamphlet thing here, and it's literally like two steps, and there you go. You're pretty much done. I thought it was too easy, so I had to do a quick little YouTube search and see how they had it set up. And really, the most of the work that was done was on the camera itself, just like making sure that the audio levels didn't peak too high, and on the receiver end, and then within the camera itself, making sure that it kind of matched and wasn't like, because you can set the audio levels on the receiver, you can set that to be low, but if you go into the camera, it could either be set up too low, or even though it's set on the receiver low, it could still peak pretty high. So I had to make sure, I don't know, like an equalizer or something. I don't know if I'm even using the terms right, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully this audio came out really good, came out quite crisp. Sorry for the squeaky chair in advance. It probably picks that up too. But other than that, if this goes well, I'll probably clip in the work I did for this agent on Sunday. What more do you want from me? No, that's really it. Quick swig of water.